So off to the right then, Hercules C-130 of 24 Squadron. You'll see the ramp is down at the back. It's flown today for us by Flight Lieutenant Stu Wright. Co-pilot is Flight Lieutenant Dave Hogg. And the air loadmaster is Sergeant Andy Prawl. And I think you will probably see him in the back of the aircraft, somewhere near that ramp at the back. And this rounds off our MERT demonstration. This is another of these aircraft that are capable of carrying and looking after and treating casualties.